AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 in every way that really matters is as of now at $0.005 in a by and large enormous manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP records truly descending development today, or so they essentially thought. 16 January 2024, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these oftentimes for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is by and large transient cost expectation for AMP. By and large is AMP an especially wise interest in a truly significant manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the AMP specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the essentially current economic situations. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,701,864,434,951. Exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the AMP specialized examination. For the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. The kind of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $57,212,190,209 in a quite enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, so market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,701,864,434,951. Sort of additional appearance how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the AMP specialized examination generally let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Sold a local coin of Solana sort of is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at $96.95, which really is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, which most certainly is genuinely critical. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a sort of descending course for sort of present moment, which in a real sense shows what certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they truly thought. Right now, a sort of broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally significant manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Showing that AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an extremely significant way. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers certainly become genuinely more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a quite huge manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move pretty dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that sold a truly local coin of Solana all things considered is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at $96.95 in an essentially large manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so similarly. Obstruction basically is a level at which merchants especially become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that sold the genuinely local coin of Solana for the most part is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95 in a kind of enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly absolute market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, or so they basically thought. There truly are practically 42,227,702,186 by and large are available for use out of 99,213,408,535. Pretty further appearance how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market truly is going in a by and large descending course for truly present moment, which generally shows what by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which by and large is genuinely critical. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 16 January 2024, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath, which by and large is genuinely critical. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to in every way that really matters. Dissect the future development of the AMP in an unobtrusive manner. While AMP's Williams %R marker by and large is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially Signal for the most part is really conceivable at this reach, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the genuinely Signal line after a hybrid in a by and large enormous manner. AMP financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day outline, further appearance how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the AMP specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely huge. The principal support level for AMP in a real sense is at $0.005, while the by and large second one basically is at $0.004, or so they for the most part thought. While taking about opposition the AMP in every practical sense has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately, which explicitly shows that 16 January 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for fundamentally one